friends. Or good afternoon, actually. It's almost time to go home. But what have we been talking about number talks? Aiden?
Addition?
Yes, we've been talking about addition. What else? Liam?
I forgot.
Okay. Tate?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. We've been talking about addition and subtraction. Which ones did we do yesterday? Georgia?
Both.
Yeah, we did both addition and subtraction. And today we're going to do both too. So what do we do when we're doing a number talk? Aiden?
You're right, but we have to solve, and we solve it.
After I write the problem on the board, what do you do? Wrong one.
Put your thumb to your chest.
Yes, you put your thumb to your chest. So what do I show with my thumb? Yes, Fulton?
How many strategies you have?
Yes, so it can be 2, 3, 4. What do we do after we show our strategies? Or how many strategies we have? Georgia? Andrew?
We put a bad name.
Yeah. What do I ask for after the show? Zane?
Strategy.
Strategies? What about before strategies? Fulton?
What are answers?
Yeah. So we think about it. We hold up this with how many strategies we have. I ask for your answers, and then we kind of share our thinking. Okay. So here's our first problem. Think about it in your mind, and put your fist up with how many strategies you have. Can everyone see? Okay. If you already have one strategy, try to think of another one. Try to challenge yourself today. Does anyone need more time to think? Okay, what are your answers? Ava.
82.
82. Did anyone else get 82? What other answers did you get? Lexi. 102. Any other answers? 70?
72.
72. What do you notice that's similar about all of these answers? Jordana.
We have twos at the end.
Yeah, so we have 3 different answers. I wonder which one it could be. Sophia.
62.
62. There's another answer ending in 2. Georgia.
81.
81. Aiden.
71.
71. Any other answers? Okay. Would anyone like to share their thinking? Leah?
I started off with 60, then I got the first 2, and that was 20. Then it equaled 80, but then I add the second 2, then I added to the 80, then I got 82.
Okay. So Liam used a strategy called decomposing. Decomposing is when you take one of the numbers and you break it down to make it a little bit easier to add. So Liam took 20 and he broke it down into 20 and used 60 plus 20 is 80, and then he added the extra 2. Does everyone understand? Okay. Who had another strategy? Seti?
I was thinking about a number line in my head.
Okay, so how did you use the number line?
I started at 60 and then I added 22 more.
And what did you get?
72.
Okay. So you did plus 22 and got 72. We used another strategy. Lexi?
Oh, I counted by tens and then I added 2 more and then I got 102.
Okay, so you did 60 plus 10 equals 70, correct? And then 70.
22. I did 22.
You did 60 plus 22. Okay, what did you get?
102.
102? Okay. Who used another strategy? Maggie?
I thought that to get I was 82 and I thought and I used that and I also thought that it would be like one it was like 2 more since there was like 2 more. And so I went 1, then I went like 1 more and I thought that would be 2.
Okay.
Just
So you
like
did
2 more than 60. So.
okay. So you did 60 plus 20? Is that what wait, okay. Explain again what you did.
So I don't really know how to explain.
Here, just try your best. It's okay.
I went 2 more than 60 and I got 80, then I added the extra 2.
So when you say when you went 2 more than 60, you added 2 other 10s? Is that what you're saying?
2 other ones.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. Let's try to figure this out. Okay. So you added 2 other 2s to the 10s place. Like where the 6 is? That's where you added 2 more? Okay. But you got 82. Okay. Okay. Alright, one more strategy. Owen.
So, I used the 120 chart. So, from 60, I went down to, and then counting 2 more.
Okay. So you also went down by 20 and got 80, correct? And then you added 2 more. Okay. A lot of people saw it that way. Okay. We're going to go to our next problem. Think about it. Put your fist up with how many strategies you have. And then I will call you to share your answers. Remember, if you have one strategy, you can always try to think of other strategies too. There's always more than one way to solve a problem. Does anyone need more time to think? Okay. Okay. What are your answers? Maggie. 33. Did anyone else get 33? Okay. Who got another answer? Zane.
What was it? 31.
31. Aiden.
35.
35. Annie, what did you get? 30. Okay. Let's see. Georgia.
34.
34. strategies. Tate?
So I started at 54 as the number line, and then I went up 2, and then I went back 1, and then I got 33.
Okay. Wait, you went up to, what do you mean by up to?
Like on the number line.
Oh, okay. So what is, going up to, what is that called? Are you adding or subtracting? If you go up on the 120s chart.
Subtract.
Yes, so you subtracted 20 minus 20, what did you get?
33.
When you subtracted, when you went up 2 from 54, what did you get?
33 because I went back 1
Okay,
because 21.
so you did 20 and then went back 1 more.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Minus 1, 33. Okay. Zane.
I had a number line,
Mm-hmm.
and I started on 54, and I moved 21 spaces back.
Okay. So you did 54 minus 21. What was your answer?
31.
31. Georgia.
I used the 120s chart, and I started on 54, then I went up 2, and that's how I got 34.
Okay. 54 minus 20 equals 34. Was that your final answer?
Yeah.
Yes? Or, okay. Who used a strategy other than the 120s chart? Sevi.
I used my fingers.
Okay. What did you get?
37.
Okay. We're going to go on to our last problem. Alright. Think about it. Test out with your strategies. I see lots of people thinking. Awesome job, guys. Does anyone need more time to think? Okay, what are your answers? Andrew?
I'll choose my hand because we were talking about pages.
Oh, okay. Liam?
11.
11. Aiden?
20.
20. Sevi?
19.
19. Remember to put a me too if you have the same answer. Sophia?
18.
18. Tate?
31.
31. Zane?
16.
16. Fulton?
25.
25. And lots of answers for this one. Lexi?
34.
34.
35.
Okay. Andrew?
21.
21. Maggie? 24. Okay. Who wants to share their thinking? Saw Aiden's hand first.
I added more 10s in the 60s place,
Mm-hmm.
but then I took 44 back.
Okay. So, okay. Did you start at 60? Where did you start?
I started at 64, 65,
then counted back until it was 44.
Okay, what was your final answer?
20.
Okay. Liam.
I used the 120s chart.
Okay. How did you use it?
I started with 65, then I count back 44 blocks of the squares, and I got 11.
Okay. Who used a strategy other than the 120s chart? Zane?
Wait, no. Okay.
Sophia?
I made a number line in my head.
Okay. How did you use the number line?
I started at 65 and I go back 44. Then I got 18.
Okay. Alright, one more strategy. Andrew?
I made a small number line in my head. So I just took away 4 and started with 6 and then took away 4. And then it made 2 and so then I made what 5 took away 4s and so then I made
Okay. So you looked at it like you did 6 minus 4 equals 2. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So you got 21. Okay, gotcha. So another way to write that, finish writing this, is 65 minus 44. Has anyone ever seen this way of writing subtraction before? Does anyone know what this is called when it's going up and down? What is that called? What's a special name for that? Godwin? A column, yeah. It's written like a column. So Andrew saw it as like 6 minus 4 equals 2, and 5 minus 4 equals 1 to get 21. Okay, awesome job, friends. We're done with number talks.